Hey guys, it's Jayla, the distillery manager here at the Company Distilling Thompson Station location. Today we are going to make a lemon drop, and to get started, this is going to be a shaken cocktail. So we're going to start off with some freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to do 3/4 ounces of that. Get that poured, and then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Lovely. And then we are going to top it off with our 2 ounces of our vanilla ASCAP. Lovely. Got some ice. Now we know we need a good shake. Beautiful. This is going to go into a coupe. And then just a few more touches. We're actually going to top it off with some club soda of your choosing. We here at Company love Fever-Tree, and then no drink is complete without a garnish. We're gonna use a dehydrated lemon, and we are ready. And there you have it, lemon drop. Enjoy, guys.